Hello, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to be drafting a regular bodice pattern for a newborn baby. So the first thing I'm going to do is to fold my pattern paper into 2, then into 4, leaving 1 inch sewing allowance. So for the newborn, shoulder measurement is 7.25 inches. 7.25 inches divided by 2. That's like 3.6, approximately 3.6. So I'm going to mark 3.6 inches here, 3.6 inches here. So I'm going to come down by 0.2, not up to 0.5 inches, 0. inches here, because they're newborn and they hardly have shoulder slope. So I'm going to connect that dot to the tip of this pattern paper right here. So the armhole length is 3 inches for newborn. Armhole length is 3 inches. So I'm going to come down by 3 inches. This is where 3 inches is. Then I'm going to draw a horizontal line. So I'm going to mark 1 inch horizontal, 1 inch vertical. Then I'm going to create a curve. Then I'm going to connect this dotted line to a continuous line. So the bodice length for a newborn is 6 inches. I'm going to add 1 inch sewing allowance, half at the upper part, half at the lower part, making 7 inches. So I'll mark 7 inches here. I'll mark 7 inches here. So this is the waistline. This is the bust line. So the bust for a newborn is 16 inches. 16 inches divided by 4. That is 4. 4. You can use 1 inch sewing allowance depending on how you want it. Then the waist of a newborn is 17. 17 divided by 4. That's 4.2. Mark 4.2 here. Necessarily, you don't really need a dart, but if you insist, but for a newborn, it's not really necessary. So I'm going to be ignoring the dart point. So I'll mark 1 inch as well as sewing allowance. So I'm cross-checking the point. So I'm going to connect here. So that's what I have. For a newborn, the neck width is 3.25. 3.25. That's the neck width for a newborn. 3.25. Half of 3.25 is 1.6. So I'm going to be marking 1.6 here. For a newborn, the depth 1.5 inches. So this is the bodice for a newborn. So this is the waistline. This is the waist. This is the bust. Neck. This is the armhole. Then this is the half length. Half length. So, thank you. Thank you so much for staying to the end of this video. Please kindly like, share.